active.
Chenro mar alam ne ringre Ngire George Magoha otimore kanisa ma kopere ma Consolata Shrine e boma Nairobi okinyi ma kawuono. Misa no yor kod jotelo mopogore anyuola kod osiepe mag familia mar George Magoha. Ngire Magoha mane jatend migawo mar somo e piny owacho mar Uhuru Kenyatta iparo kuom tich matek kod ratiro. Kanyola ne bende ne opuoyo kuom jiwo somo kod dongruok mag e yore mopogore. Ngire Magoha biro ninde pare ma Lavington Nairobi kawuono motelo ne wuoth makiny mar dhi gem Umiru County Masiaya kambiro ike chieng' ngeso tarik 11. Oweyo chien minode kod wuode achiel.
He was available. It didn't matter if he was a surgeon, if he was a cabinet secretary. And that's because he believed in family. And it was always the same. One phone call. If he can talk, he talks immediately. If he can't talk, immediately he finishes, he would come to me. And that's for 38 years of my life. And it's funny, I'm happy people touched upon it, because I used to get the usual questions of, how was it being raised by this Kali person, etc. I never saw that person. I'm the same with my mom. That's why I really love this picture. This is all I saw.
That's why they said he was obsessed with success. Because each time you pass one battlefield, you prepare for the other. After all, life itself is battle. I'll never complain. I had him for 40 years. I'll be very ungrateful if I did that. There are people who have had marriages of lesser years. I thank God, and I have accepted. We were a team. He looked over my back, and I looked over his.